magagalit sila. Sino ba naman ang hindi magagalit? Hindi niyo inaalagaan yung ano namin, princess namin. But you know what? Just for the record, we take care of not just Kim, but all the artists. Just for the record.
Pero wala namang problem after the fall kay Kim.
Because it wasn't a fall. It was just a bad recovery. Oo. Kumbaga a bad transition. It became a bad transition. Kasi hindi pantay yung acrylic eh. Hindi pantay yung pagkahawak. Pero sabi ko nga, had it been a good form, kung meron mang mahabang ensayo, then hindi yun mangyayari. I mean, sino gusto mangyari yun?
Ano nangyayari yung mga gano'n? Yan ang reaction ni Kim.
Ang reaction ni Kim sa amin, kanino ba siya nag-express?
Siya kasi lagi eh, Teacher G eh. Siya lagi nag-viral.
Siya lagi nag-viral. Ano pa ba yung iba? Nahulog siya ni Enchong?
Yes.
Oo. Ano nangyari dyan? Ang hina sa Enchong? During rehearsal? Meron pa nga kayo hindi nakikita sa rehearsal namin. Meron time, eto hindi nag-viral kasi hindi siya show. Nangyari during the rehearsal. Sa business talaga namin, ito yung mga tinatawag namin occupational hazard. Eh, bumagsak, as in meron siyang act with kambal, di ba? Oo, yung kambal, hawak. Rehearsal, okay. Nung stage rehearsal na, as in was it toss? A toss? Pagbagsak niya, naiba rin yung timing niya. Bumagsak yung head niya sa floor. But she knows na, kasi, you know, in partnering or group dance na ganyan, na kailangan naman ganyan clicks. Kailangan talaga yan, trusting, teamwork. Hindi pwedeng ako lang or siya lang. And Kim knows the process. Kim knows the process. And we're not shaken kay Kim because we know Kim. But this is a reminder na, hey, you cannot be complacent with all the process. Okay, kung nangyayari to ha, so next time, we know better. Kung acrylic ang props natin, next time, pa-duplicate natin yan. Para mabali man, alam na natin meron dalawa.
May sinasabi yung okay, just dance with the music.
Dance with the music, pag may nahulog mo.
Okay, just dance with the music.
Tuloy nyo lang.
Oo, tuloy lang.
Go on.
The show must go.
Pero tinuloy naman nila.
Yeah,
Tinuloy
tinuloy
nila.
naman.
She wasn't even in pain after the
Right.
performance.
Pero
But of course, social media will make it...
Naging ano siya,
oo.
GIF na siya,
Yeah.
naging meme.
Tsaka yan, sensationalized na.
Yeah.
Yeah.
may mga celebrities po ba na parang nag-give up na dahil hindi na talaga nila kaya or hindi nila kayang sumabay?
Hindi nila kayang sumabay. Meron na ba yung mga
Si Piolo ba sumasayaw ng tuturuan mo?
Baka si Piolo yung nag-give up. Dati sumasayaw siya. Oo. Sumayaw naman kami together nung wedding ni Doc Vicky. Sa Paris. Party. Sumayaw kami together.
Pero yung mga dramatic actors hindi sila masyadong masayaw, no? Like John Lloyd, like
Coco.
Maybe because it comes also with their imaging.
Okay.
Inigo, yeah. Oo, magaling siya. Magaling. At saka, magaling siya kumuha ng choreography. From what I know, from the States pa lang, he was taking classes na. And then, sa G-Force, tatawag siya for, masipag. Tatawag siya for private classes, one-on-one session. Masipag siya. Nakakaaliw yan si Inigo. Pero, what I really appreciate about Inigo is talagang hinahanap niya yung sarili niya.
Niche.
Oo, niche.
Okay, any more questions? Bago
Ano po
magturo,
ba,
Kat?
nakakaroon ng lumabas?
Back?
Social media.
Oh yes, yan yun. Yung number 1 ngayon, yung pinaka-latest, yung kay Kim. Bakit daw hindi namin ilalalagaan si Kim? Yan yung pinaka-latest. Oh, syempre, we have to discuss it. Ano ba yung talaga yung facts? I gather all the facts first. And then, I-identify naman if it's just bashing it. So, we have a team to monitor that. We have a monitoring team for that. Nag-give up. Yun nga yung tanong ni MJ Felipe. Sabi ko, baka si Piolo yun. Baka si Piolo na yan.
Ay, ito may question po.
Given the series, meron pa rin bang single classes available? Your
Yes,
private
yeah.
One-on-one, no?
G-Force Dance Center is
For those who just
open
want to
classes all year round. Sadyang pag summer, we have a special program. You do the workshop, intensive training, and then you get to perform and dance with the G-Force. And then at the end of the year, like the last quarter of the year, meron naman kami tinatawag na separate. So we have 2 major programs every year. But GeForce Dance Center is open. All year round, we offer classes. They can download the app to check all the classes, the kinds of classes. We have a mobile app. No certificates. Not yet.
Teacher G, mahal ba ang GeForce?
Mahal ba ang GeForce? Mahal ba?
Malaki ba ang
Sabi na rin
TF?
Sobra.
Malaki ba ang TF ng GeForce?
Malaki ba ang TF ng GeForce?
Yan ang chismis eh.
Pag ganun ang chismis, then I question the value of GeForce. Pag ganun ang chismis, then I question the things that we can do, the things that we offer. So, sabi ko, pag ganyan, may problema sa atin. Pag kino-question ang value.
Sa mga students, may mga nag-enroll ba dahil they were inspired by celebrities? And sino usually yung mga pinapangalan?
Ang pinakahuling magandang kwento was, kaninong class yun? May napanood na klase, tapos nakita niya sa, it's my post. I have a 10 a.m. habit. I call it my Teach Yourself's 10 a.m. habit. So magbablog kami sa ASAP ng 6 a.m. hanggang 9:30 on stage. So pag 10 a.m. papasok na kami ng dressing room. And GeForce, nagpe-prepare na, may makeup na. As a teacher, okay na, rest time na. So I made it productive. Okay, I'll do my 10 a.m. habit. So I will learn the choreography of the teachers, of the choreographers of GeForce. So aaralin ko kasi for me, that's my way of immersing sa mga new breed of choreographers, and at the same time, I want to assess myself. May asin pa ba? Ang pagsasayaw ni Teacher herself? Kaya ba ang galawang millennial? Yan ang mga assessment na nangyayari. And I do that every Sunday. Well, ngayon hindi. Nagpaganda ako para sa inyo. Paganda ako, nagpa-wake up ako kay Jenna. Kanina. So, 10 a.m. habit, sasayaw ako. And then I posted. So when I posted it, nakita ni Andrea Brillantes. So si Andrea, once nung nakita niya yung post ko na yun, tumawag siya sa GeForce Dance Center. Sabi niya, gusto ko aralin yung yung choreography na ito, itong Dancing Teach Yourself. So pinatawag si Teacher Jem kasi siya yung nag-choreograph nun. And then nag-session sila kinala niya. Yeah, and marami na kaming estudyante na gusto matutunan, gusto maging kasing galing ni Maha. Gusto ko po matutunan yung Maha na moves. Meron iba, gusto ko po matutunan yung James Reid na moves. Yung cool down, yan. Ginagamit ng GeForce yung mga music nila.
Sino bang dancing queen ngayon?
Sino bang dancing queen ngayon? Ngayon meron kami na-launch sa ASAP. Maha and Yasi na segment. Pag nakita niyo silang dalawa, pareho magaling. Pero alam niyo magkaiba ang style.
Isa lang.
Isa lang? Grabe ka, MJ. Galing-galing talaga.
Pinuhuli.
Grabe.
Kasi si queen lang eh. Isa lang yung queen.
Oo, sa queen eh. Pero dalawang state. Ito yung queen itong state na to. Ito yung queen itong state na to. So, isa pa rin. Yeah. Ang safe ba nun? Grabe.
Ikaw na lang kasi may trono ka eh.
Oo, ako yun. Ako na lang. Oo. Hindi nakakatuwa kasi ang tagal ko na sa ASAP. And artists come and go.
No, the reason why I asked that, because we had the Dayanara Torres,
Yes.
na naging Charlene Gonzalez.
Yes.
Now we had the Vina Morales also. So, sino yung now?
See, now it's still Maha. And then now, meron tayong, kumbaga, ini-introduce na natin si Yasi. Ini-introduce natin si Yasi. And it's nice to see. It's nice to see them together. Magkaiba. Diba? Sobrang na morena na, tayo pa lang, hambam na. But you know, when Maha started, it's also different. And makita niya talaga yung growth niya eh. Makita niya yung growth niya. So let's give Yasi a chance. Diba? Princess Yasi.
Queen siya, no?
Ayan na ha, ayan talaga. Yan ang ginawa natin.
Gusto naman talaga si Ma.
Oo.
Maha
Trademark may ano.
And then tsaka alam nyo, ang maganda dyan, lahat ng gustong pumasok na magaling sumayo, gusto nila talaga makasama si Mama.
Ay, talaga.
Yeah.
Sa lalaki, sino gusto mo?
Sa lalaki, si Ken, pero hindi siya masyadong active ngayon kasi busy sa bagan.
Sino next?
Sino ba next? James Reid.
James.
But his style is different kasi reserved, diba?
Mr. Jersa, is there a signature G-Force move?
Iba yung...
Yeah.
Kasi
Actually,
as
you can,
audience, nakikita
yeah, you
yan
can
eh.
see it, but no specific.
cannot ano.
Overall,
Laging
packaging,
yes, always
style,
yeah.
no? Outfit.
Yeah.
Ano ba yung sabihin ng hambam?
Well, it's just my expression.
Ah,
It's
okay.
just my energy. But now it's parang it means a lot of ang dami na niyang definition. Yan, hambam. Kanya-kanyang costume that's taken care of by the company. Yeah, by the company. Pag-performance. Pero yung aura nila, hindi na, malalaki na sila. Kanya-kanya na yung Tsaka we teach them talaga to have yung financial management.
Yeah.
Because they're young.
Yeah.
Yung mga yan, matanggap ang sweldo at saka ang goal nila makabili lang ng telepono. Can you imagine? Makabili lang ng iPhone 8. Okay, o sige, what's your next goal? iPhone 10. As that. They teach them how to give